First, use a 7mm sleeve to remove the shell. After removing the protective case, take out the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the two set screws on the bottom of the sensor. Then remove the sensor. Next step, take out the new photo sensor. Tighten the aviation plug wire of the sensor first. Then hang the screws, but don't tighten. Pay attention to align the pressing roller with the middle of the groove. Align and then tighten the screws. Finally, put the sheet metal protective case back on. Put the sensor circuit into the protective case.